Well, here we are. We've arrived at the lake and we're just having a couple of casts to get some bait in. We're just using a feeder with about a 2-foot tail. And we're going to be using maggots on the hook. So 2 or 3 casts and get some bait. Right, well, that's 3. So this time, 3 maggots on. Let's see what happens. In fact, I'm going to go out and put 4 on. And see what happens. Get the movement out there. Well, people, it hasn't been going well. We've been here for about 2 hours and we haven't had a fish. We've had 1 bite. We've now got a float rod out as well. Nothing on that. But we're trying to... We've literally just had a bite on the feeder, the first one of the day. So we're going to give it a little bit longer and see if we can catch you something. It's been a lovely, pleasant evening, but for some unknown reason, the fish just aren't feeding. A few signs of fish moving around, but absolutely no idea why they're not taking the bait. But the sun's nearly going down, so perhaps now's the time that we can finally get a fish. Got a double orange maggot on the feeder and a single orange maggot on my float, which is just out here. Earlier on we had a little family of ducks go past. There must have been about at least 10 little ducklings and little things like this. And slightly earlier on we saw a kingfisher go into the woods just at the back there. So that's been a pleasant enough afternoon, early evening, but we really do want to catch a fish. Well, would you believe it? We've finally got one. Well, that has been a really tough session. And a little roach like that, I don't think has ever been more welcome. We finally caught a fish. Well, I will say that now I've caught one, I'm going to try and catch another. It's been a really warm day today, and you'd think that the water would be quite warm, but that fish was like it come out of a fridge. Still don't understand why we haven't caught them all, but there you go. Oh, would you believe it? Second roach. Not a bad one either. And, well, it was worth waiting. A double hook up almost. And I think we've probably got a bream. Wow, this really has taken a long old time. Anyway, I haven't got it in yet. Be a bit careful with him. About all the action in the last 10 minutes. Only on a size 18 hook, so I'm going to be a bit careful. I haven't seen it yet. I don't think it's huge. But, you never know until you see it. No, it's pound and a half maybe. Perhaps a little bit more. Anyway, he's not in the net yet. He is now. Whoa! What about that, chaps? Right at the end. Oh, we're happy with that. That's a bit bigger than I thought, actually. Let's have a look at him. Oh. How's that? What do you give me for that? A couple of pound? Maybe a bit more? Go. Let's just hold him up for you again. Really nice bream to end the day. But I have to say, we've still got maybe 10 minutes of daylight, so it'd be rude not to have another go, wouldn't it? Sun just going down over the lake, and we've just had those 3 fish, which are the only ones we've had, right at the end of the day. I think we might have time for another 5 minutes. Little tiny family of ducks. We're just about to pack up, and beautiful little family of ducks. Look at them. They've been scurrying around all day. Oops, we lost them. There they are. Right down under my feet at sometimes. Anyway, it's good to see them. Now then, look at that for a sunset. That's just us just about done for the day.